If you're planning to visit Taiwan, I'll share you our itinerary. Tara. A1, eto 10 a.m. na kami nagising. Yan yung mga pupuntahan namin that day and then nag-taxi lang kami from the hotel. Siminding area na to, ang laki ng G-Shop dito. Tabi-tabi din yung mga shops. Kaso lang umuulan that day na pumunta kami. So naglakad-lakad muna kami. And then we reached this Sing Futang. Milk tea shop siya and sikat to sa mga tourists. Pinipilahan to actually. Masarap siya in fairness. 10 out of 10 for me. Tapos we tried this fortune stick.
Pwede po dito.
By the way, free lang yung fortune stick. So, might as well try nyo na din pag pumunta kayo habang hinihintay yung order nyo. We also saw this rainbow pedestrian na sikat dito sa Simending pero di na kami nagpa-picture kasi ang daming tao. Dito dumiretso na kami ng MRT going to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. Doon kami sa may Simen Station sumakay. And then, you may pause the video to get the direction going there. Mabilis lang to, around 5 minutes nandun na kayo.
The first time I looked at like the page and
Ang laki nitong Memorial Hall and actually, curious din ako sino ba si Chiang Kai-shek. Anong meron sa kanya? Bakit may ganito kalaking Memorial Hall siya sa Taiwan? So, ayan, I place a fan fact and just pause the video para mabasa nyo. Sa likod nitong Memorial Hall, nandun yung mga cherry blossoms. So, if you want to see cherry blossoms, best time to visit is second week of Feb to March. Next, Taipei 101. So, nag-MRT lang din kami papunta dito and actually last stop na namin to for the day. So, that's it for our first day. See you on day 2.